Get ready! We're about to improve the quality of our videos. Welcome to Ideas for Teachers, and welcome to the part 3 of our series editing videos for YouTube. In case you missed the part 1 and the part 2 of this series, I'd like to invite you to watch them so you can have a complete idea of what we are going to discuss in this video. And please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It's very important for us and I would love to count with your help. As I've told you before, in this part 3, we are talking about how to improve the quality of the audios for our videos. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm going to reveal what our next video is about. Next, we are going to talk about how to get audio from video, removing noise, compressing sound, adjusting bass and treble, limiting sound, normalize, how to make an audio from mono to stereo, and how to add the edited audio back to the video. Ready? Let's go! To do what we are supposed to do, we are using the VSDC Free Video Editor and Audacity Audio Editor. To get our audio from the video, we need to open VSDC, open or start a new project, and add video to the timeline. So let's do it. Click on Add Video, look for your file, open it, set from Scene Begin, and add new layer. Click OK, and here it's your video. Once your video is on your timeline, we are going here to the right side panel, and we are going to look for split to video and audio. Click on this and you see a new layer with the audio from your video. Now your video and your audio are separated, but it's not enough. We have now to get this track. So go to Export Project, look for audio track 1, right click, and then click on Export Audio. Look for the output file, so you select the location, the name of your file, select the format, and set the preferences of bitrate, frequency, and channels. If these options are okay for you, are fine for me, so you just need to click Export. So then, with your audio exported, we are ready to improve the quality of your audio. To start working on the quality of our audio, we need to go to Audacity. So open it, go to File, Import, Audio, or just press Ctrl-Shift-I. Then find your track, in this case this is our track, and click Open. So here it is. Now we are going to remove its noise, shall we? So to do that, we need to find a flat line on the track, so you can zoom in, and here for example it's a flat line. We are going to select that, and then we are going to create the noise profile. So click on Effect, then click Noise Reduction, then Get Noise Profile. Okay? To finish the noise reduction, we are going to select all the track. You can do this by double clicking it, or you can do this by pressing Ctrl-A. Okay? And after that, you just go Effect and click on Repeat Noise Reduction or Ctrl-R. And that's it. The noise of your track is removed. Now it's time to compress our sound. To do so, we are going to go to make sure we have all the tracks selected, and then we go to Effect, then compressor, and here we have to set up the threshold to -18 decibels, noise floor to -40 decibels, ratio to the ratio of 2.5 to 1, attack time 1.81 seconds, and release time 11.1 seconds. Once you set this up, just click OK. We are going now to adjust the bass and treble. And again, select all your track, effect, and now look for bass and treble. Click on it, adjust bass and treble to 9 and volume 0. Click on apply, then click close. So far so good. I hope you are enjoying this video. Leave your like and subscribe to this channel. Continue watching. Soon you know what is expecting for you in the next video. It's time now to limit the sound. So again, select all the track, click on effect, look for limiter, and then set this configuration. Type hard limit, input gain 0, input gain rise 0, limit to -4, this is important, and hold 10. Okay, apply makeup gain, no, so click OK. We are very close to finish. Now what we need to do is to normalize the audio. Again, make sure that your track is all selected, click effect, and then look for normalize. Then remove DC offset, normalize peak amplitude to -2, and leave this unchecked. Okay, so click OK and you're done. The last step to make our audio perfect is to combine these two parts into this track. To do that, we are going to go from stereo to mono, then from mono to stereo. So to do this, go to tracks, select all your track, go to tracks, mix stereo down to mono. Then with this, we are going now to go to edit, copy, or Ctrl+C. Tracks, add new, stereo track. Then go to edit, paste, or Ctrl+V. Then close the first track. Now you are ready to export your file. We go to File, Export, Export as MP3, or Export Audio, or you even can press Ctrl+Shift+E. So, by doing so, you save your file and click Save. Now, we need to go back to the VSDC Video Editor. Back to our project, we are now going to get our audio back to the scene. So to do that, we are going here, click on Add Sound, and find our audio. So in our case, this one, and click Open. Set Scene Begin, add new layer, OK. So now you can see that we have two tracks, the old one and the new one. So what we need to do, delete the old track, and it remains the new track. Now your file is ready to be exported, so you can preview to analyze, and if you're happy with the result, export your project. So that's it. I hope you got a very good result, and I'd like to share with you the result of this project. So let's listen to the difference between the edited and non-edited audio. Let's go! Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He always there to help her, she always belong to someone else. Okay, I know that my voice isn't that great, right? But did you listen to the difference between the edited and improved audio? Amazing, isn't it? And this is the end of the series, editing audios for YouTube. I hope you liked the part 1, 2 and 3. So let's review what we saw in these 3 videos. In this video we learned how to get audio from video, remove its noise, compress it, work its bass and treble, limit the sound, normalize it, and transform it from mono to stereo and stereo to mono, and finally to get this ready audio back to the video. And in these 3 parts we worked on recording your screen and voice, use Microsoft PowerPoint to organize ideas and prepare your lesson, slides and presentations, write a video script, blend videos with the VSDC, improve the quality of your audio, and to get your video ready for YouTube. It's time to get your videos ready for YouTube and send them too. Thanks for watching this video until the end, and now I can reveal the secret, what is expecting us in the next video. What is it? Well, I'm preparing a very good list of the best channels for VSDC skills, tools, techniques, tutorials, everything you need to improve your videos. So stay tuned, because soon I'm going to share this with you. So tell me, did you like this video? Please comment down below, leave your like and subscribe!